Love yours.
What's up, you guys? It's your girl Tymarrahgi, and we are back with another video. So today we are working with Ashimary hair, and we are getting into this pink unit, you guys. This is a 26-inch body wave lace front wig, and it is just so cute. Lace frontal, because do y'all see all that space? Yeah, so we're getting into it with the Erica J glue for the install, of course, and I'm just adding probably like 2 or 3 layers on, just a good enough amount so that the hair is really good, and depending on what style I did, I will have the security that I need.
It's beauty in the struggle, ugliness in the success. Hear my words and listen to my signal of distress. I grew up in the city and know sometimes we had less. Compared to some of my niggas down the block, man, we were blessed. And life can't be no fairy tale, no once upon a time. But I be goddamn if a nigga don't be trying. So tell me, mama, please, why you be drinking all the time? Cause all the pain he brought you still linger in your mind. Cause pain still lingers on mine. On the road to riches, listen, this is what you find. The good news is, nigga, you came along.
So now I'm just going in and cutting off all of that lace, and I did have to go back and pluck a lot on my head to get it exactly how I want, because I didn't pluck a lot like off head. Like I said off head, I didn't pluck a lot before I installed it, so I had to do a lot of plucking because it is pretty thick, but it's not too thick to the point where it's like unbearable, but it was pretty thick, so I did have to go ahead and pluck a lot just to get it how I wanted it. But at the same time, this hair is really good in density and it's very thick, so you don't have to worry about that. And another good thing that I really liked about this hair was that, you guys know, colored hair is 9 times out of 10 it was 613, and sometimes 613 has that, like, I don't know, like, I don't know if y'all would know what I'm talking about, but sometimes 613 hair, it just, it's so high maintenance. It's so, the hair gets everywhere. It's just, it's not the same as regular hair. And this hair wasn't like that. It was just as if I had like a black unit in my hair or something like that. Like, the hair was really, really good. But I'm just using my lace tint mousse and putting it on that lace just to make sure that it is very seamless and looking like it's coming out of my scalp, being that this is pink hair and I was about to do baby hairs and stuff. I just wanted to make sure that it was looking real good before I went ahead and styled it some more.
The struggle, ugliness, and the success. Hear my words and listen to my signal of distress. I grew up in the city and know sometimes we had less. Compared to some of my niggas down the block, man, we were blessed. And life can't be no fairy tale, no once upon a time. But I be goddamn if a nigga don't be trying. So tell me, mama, please, why you be drinking all the time? Cause all the pain he brought you still linger in your mind. Cause pain still lingers on mine. On the road to riches, listen, this is what you find. The good news is, nigga, you came a long way. The bad news is, nigga, you went the wrong way. Being broke is better. Life that's better than yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. Think being broke is better. Life that's better than yours. No such thing, no such thing. For what's money without happiness? Or hard times without the people you love? Though I'm not sure what's about to happen next. I ask for strength from the Lord up above, cause I've been strong so far, but I can feel my grip loosening. Quick, do something before you lose it for good. Get it back and use it for good, and touch the people how you did like before. I'm tired of living with demons cause they always inviting more. Think being broke was better. Now I don't mean that phrase with no disrespect to all my niggas out there living in debt, cash and minimal checks. Turn on the TV, see a nigga Rolex, and fantasize about a life with no stress. I mean this shit sincerely. And as a nigga who was once in your shoes, living with nothing to lose, I hope one day you hear me. Always gonna be a bigger house somewhere, but nigga feel me. Long as the people in that motherfucker love you dearly. Always gonna be a whip that's better than the one you got. Always gonna be some
So now I'm just prepping my hair for these baby hairs, and I wanted to do some real dramatic baby hairs. So I'm just cutting my hair how I wanted it and went ahead and plucked a little bit more so that they wouldn't be too thick. But the type of baby hairs that I did want to do for the first one, at least it had to be pretty thick. So I'm just sculpting that, and I am using my ORS wig grip gel to do these baby hairs.
Heart beating fast, let a nigga know that he alive. Fake niggas mad, snakes in the grass, let a nigga know that he arrived. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. Love yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. No such thing. Heart beating fast, let a nigga know that he alive. Fake niggas mad, snakes in the grass.
So for this style, I wanted it to be like a little ponytail action, just a little bit, something real cute and fun. So I did go ahead and start sticking that back into a ponytail, and I did use like a little bit of my wig grip spray just to make it really flat, and we went ahead and did that ponytail, no problem. And I wanted to leave out like a little bit of a bang in the front, and I felt like that looked really cute. So that's just me brushing out all the hair and stuff after I did that ponytail. But the curling of the hair, well, I didn't want it to be like big curls. I want it to be like waves. So that's what I achieved, and that's what I did. But I did want to make sure that it looked very flat and really good, and I felt like it was coming out so cute, y'all. One thing that I feel like I could have like wrapped the pink hair around the ponytail holder for the ponytail, but I feel like that didn't make too much of a difference. It still came out really cute. And I'm just using my 1-inch curler by T3 to get these curls, and I'm using it as like a wand curl method, not using it as like a traditional curler.
With no disrespect to all my niggas out there living in debt, cash and minimal checks. Turn on the TV, see a nigga Rolex, and fantasize about a life with no stress. I mean this shit sincerely, and as a nigga who was once in your shoes, living with nothing to lose, I hope one day you hear me. Always gonna be a bigger house somewhere, but nigga feel me. Long as the people in that motherfucker love you dearly. Always gonna be a whip that's better than the one you got. Always gonna be some clothes that's fresher than the ones you rock. Always gonna be a bitch that's better out there on the tours. You ain't never gonna be happy till you love yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. Love yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. Love yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. Love no such thing. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. Love yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. Love yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. Love no such thing. No such thing. Heart beating fast, let a nigga know that he alive. Fake niggas mad, snakes in the grass, let a nigga know that he arrived. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. Love yours.
And you guys, after I got done with the curls, I was like, ooh, this will look cute with a little braid. Now, I have not tried to do a fishtail braid ever before in my life, and I wasn't going to try today because I was just like, I don't got time to be looking at tutorials and trying to do that. I would do a fishtail braid in the future, but that day I was just like not feeling it. So what I did was I just braided my hair after I curled it and just kind of like teased the braid a little bit, and I feel like that came out really cute. And I didn't like I tried to put a knot in the braid like that, but that necessarily wasn't looking too good. So I ended up taking that out because that looked a mess. But I just left it how it was, and I didn't try to, like, you know, secure the ends or anything. And it just looked really cute because it flowed with the rest of the curls of the hair. But this is me just trying to fluff out the braid a little bit and make it look a little bigger. And I feel like this actually was really cute. And I wouldn't say it gave fishtail bribes. I said bribes. I wouldn't say it gave fishtail vibes, but it definitely gave a braid vibe that I wanted, and it was really cute. So if you guys don't know how to do a fishtail braid, or if you guys don't want to do a fishtail braid at the moment, just do a regular braid. Like, when you morph it into the hair, it looks really, really cute. And I did go ahead and kind of curl the braid a little bit so it can morph into the hair a little bit more. And I just used a little clip and put that ponytail over the top and had my hair draping over that clip just so that the ponytail can look a little higher. But I didn't want it to be, I didn't want the ponytail to really show a lot, but I wanted it to show just a little bit. So I feel like that, you know, gave me what I was wanting. And I just went ahead and sprayed it. But I eventually ended up dropping the ponytail back a little bit, and this was the final look. And I feel like it came out so cute. This pink, y'all, was so freaking cute. If y'all need a pink wig that's really, really cute, that you don't have to color yourself, you just go ahead and click the description box down below and shop Ashimary hair, because they have you guys. I really love this, and I really love the way it came out. And at the end, you guys, I just showed you guys how it looked in the side part, you know, regular side part. But I love you guys so much. Stay blessed. Yeah, babies, we out.